Sengiyathemba manje ukuthi the people that were recalled, 18 MPs, members of parliament that were recalled by MK, they have learned a very valuable lesson. Angilwe. But that was a very life valuable lesson. Mina makala hore. Why are they surprised Uguti they are recalled? Uguti, this thing that has happened concerning Ugu Rekolwa, concerning them being recalled from parliament, as if it's a new thing. Ubaba uyasha seba koshwe Uguti. Ubaba is the word reshuffling size. We will learn that word during the time Yaga presidency when he was still in the ANC. When we heard this news, some of us were not surprised. No, but he was reshuffling our ministers when he was the president. Ubab Ngamala. That's his style. Tina siyazi Tina. So I don't know why Abantu Baya Mangala man, but he was not supposed to do that. What he did it in the ANC, Asaselapo with ANC as a president, when he wanted somebody there for whatever reason. When he didn't want somebody there, Afunuk Faga someone else, and I'm preparing shy. He reshuffles. Unjaluba. Tina Samaziti. So we are not surprised. And si know he's right or wrong. Indlela yakhe leyo. That's his way. That we some of us knew this ukuthi EMK. They can remove you anytime at the command of Ubaba. Ngoba why call Ubaba when he was still in the ANC? How many ministers were reshuffled? Changed. But thank you, man. How many ministers? How many cabinet positions? Remember, you would be a minister today, and then the following day or whatever, sometimes you would be reshuffled in the middle of the night. In the middle of the night or in the morning, breaking news. So and so is no longer the Minister of Finance. So and so is now a Minister of Finance. How many of you remember that? So when he's recalled 18 members of parliament, tonight that thing does not surprise us. The problem is that people don't want to face the truth. They don't want to face the truth even when it is looking at them. Or Habai Shebile. Swasi Ampalea. You don't want to face the truth. So you became, some of you apparently you resigned and all of that. Ibshung, Kotwa, you guys went there knowing Ugot you can be recalled. Or maybe you were naive asas. You can be recalled anytime. Ubaba unjalo. And Mausebenza naye. You must understand that. Now you Floyd about anytime Bangati is a deputy president. Yes. Now Floyd, or he's a chief whip, or he's a what you call, or general secretary. Lento waikalu baba as a ANC. Kunama structures whatever. Using his presidential powers to change our ministers. That's how he operates. Angikhuluma ukuthi kusho right or wrong. You guys will decide on that. But I'm just saying, my point is this, Uguti. Why ningmangala when he recalls 18 members of parliament and puts people that he wants there. He's done it before. Wine manga. That's my argument.